नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. Let me enter into the satsang. Paramashiva's purpose of incarnation. Why Paramashiva incarnated? Through this body, he is fulfilling. I tell you, through this body, Paramashiva has contributed to the universe so many things. Now, Paramashiva, the ultimate Shiva, ultimate energy, is bringing the ultimate gifts to all of you, to the whole humanity. The purpose of Paramashiva's incarnation is to give superconscious breakthrough, to take you all to the next level of superconsciousness, to give conscious breakthrough to everyone, take the humanity to the next level of superconsciousness. Understand? No reasons. No reason can equate the result. No reason can equate the result. Reasons can never be equivalent to results. Now, we are ready, really ready with our offerings to make the whole world enlightened. Understand? Last 41 years, whatever I received from my gurus and Guru Parampara, which is the whole history of the humanity and Hinduism, the essence of the whole history of the humanity and the essence of all the knowledge and experience of the Hinduism and humanity, I have received from the Guru Parampara. Essence of what I received from my Guru Parampara and whatever I experienced, the whole thing, I have put it together. See, the essence of all the aspirations, experiences, experiments, realizations, spiritually and externally, from the time immemorial by the whole humanity, is available in the form of Sanatana Hindu Dharma revealed scriptures, Vedas and Agamas. The whole thing realized and manifested by many rishis, aptas, my Guru Parampara. So Shastra Pramana and Apta Pramana I received from my Guru Parampara. When I started manifesting that, I have developed my own Atma Pramana, means my own experiences. And when I started transmitting my experiences to my disciples, devotees of various level, various culture, various background, I have literally worked with all types of human beings. Amazing, dedicated, devoted seekers and complete traitors. I have seen all kinds of human beings. Fortunately, I have a very rich experience of human beings. Working with all of them, I've got a lot of Sakshi Pramanas. Understand? The revealed scriptures of Hinduism, which is the aspiration, visualization, experience, and enlightenment of the whole humanities from time immemorial, in the form of Sanatana Hindu Dharma scriptures, Shastras of Hinduism, Vedas and Agamas, and Aptas, great rishis who manifested all these in their life. They are Apta Pramanas. These two I received from my Guru Parampara, my Gurus and Guru Parampara. When I started manifesting them in my life, I have developed my own Atma Pramana, my own personal experience. When I started sharing all that with the world, with all types of human beings, I have developed enough of Sakshi Pramana. Now, this whole rich experience of Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, Sakshi Pramana is ready to make you all enlightened. Understand? It is literally Paramashiva's purpose of incarnationhood. Why he manifests through this body? Why he is radiating through this body? That purpose is getting fulfilled through this offering. So understand, this extraordinary Paramashiva's ultimate gift to the whole humanity is given today. Today, I am formally, officially launching the great gift of Paramashiva to the humanity. Understand, I told many times, many things you think too big are not the real gifts I brought with me from Kailasa. There are many things you think my gifts, like a healing, healer's initiation, many of that are just dust which came along with me when I walked. Feet dust, that's all. But the real gift which I brought in my hand to share it with you all, I am opening up now. So, Paramashiva, the ultimate Shiva's ultimate gift to the whole humanity is given today, formally, officially, as living representative of Paramashiva. I am offering this gift to the whole world, the Enlighten app. Enlighten app is the biggest gift to the whole humanity, to all of you. Enjoy this app. Through this Enlighten app, Paramashiva will manifest his state, space, and powers through every one of us. Understand? This gift to the humanity will be the ultimate gift. And today, I am beginning a new journey for humanity. Through this Enlighten app, whole universe will be raised to the next level of superconsciousness. as a living representative of Paramashiva, I commit with you all through this Enlighten app, you will all manifest, we will all manifest the state, space, and powers and everything of Paramashiva, the very being of Paramashiva. Understand whether the great cosmic principles you receive through this app are Shastra Pramanas, the ancient revealed scriptures given to you in a decoded form, are the great spiritual music, spiritual visuals, Apta Pramanas, my own Atma Pramana, and Sakshi Pramana of many people who are benefited. Whatever you are going to receive through this will enlighten you directly. It will make you manifest the powers, state, space, and powers of Paramashiva. State, space, powers, and being of Paramashiva will manifest in all of us. Understand? Through this app, you will receive, through this Enlighten, you will receive precise words you need to receive in right time. The cosmic principles will be directly mapped into your biomemory. It will be mapped into your muscle memory in the forms of powerful cognitions. The spiritual umbilical connection between you and me and highest spiritual initiations will happen through this Enlighten app, which will manifest Paramashiva in your bioenergy, and you will see this Enlighten app causes continuous miracles in your life. You will be living with Paramashiva. Literally, it will be living with Paramashiva. I am not over-promising. Actually, I am under-promising. I am telling you. Start living with Enlighten app. You will understand life's beauty. How the whole life is beautiful. How the whole life is not only blissful, powerful. The way it is going to give you constant superconscious breakthrough. You will understand. I am not over-promising. It is too good to be true. Paramashiva, available to you as a personal assistant and personal guide in the form of an app, is Enlighten app. And I am also working constantly to upgrade this app to reach out to you in multiple levels. I request all my disciples, devotees, Adinavasis, Gurukul kids, everyone to be part of this Enlighten app and support me in making this app more useful. The first thing you can do, consume, enjoy. That is the greatest help you will do to you and to the world. Second, share with the world, enrich, make more and more people become part of Enlighten app. Third, volunteer your time, treasure, talent to make the Enlighten app more useful for more people and to the whole world. Understand? I am bringing the best of the ancient world, the knowledge, Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, and Sakshi Pramana, and connecting it using the latest technology, the updated modern technology, and reaching out to all of you. You are going to have literally everything related to enlightenment superconsciousness, state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva to every one of us, to all of us through this app. Understand? This is one of my ultimate gifts. This is going to be one of the ultimate gifts of ultimate Shiva, Paramashiva. I have no words to explain what it is going to do to you and to the humanity. Start using, then you will understand. It is going to literally solve every problem you can create with all your creativity and innovation. Understand? I challenge you. There are many people. How I find solution for every problem. There are many people who find problem for every solution. But I challenge those people. Try to find problems. I will solve it. Whether it is related to your physical health, mental health, wealth, relationships, or social issues, political issues, every problem of individual and humanity is solved through this Enlighten app. Understand? Not only solved, humanity is given the superconscious breakthrough, next level of superconscious breakthrough through this app. This is one of the ultimate gifts of Paramashiva. You will see what this gift is going to do to the world. Enlighten app for kids is also separately launched. It is ready. Today I am offering that also to the whole world. Through this app, thousands of kids will be manifesting. I should say, why thousands? Billions will be manifesting the state, space, powers, and being of Paramashiva. Understand? Enlighten app for youth, for kids, for women, for sannyasis, for brahmacharis. All this is getting separate, developed and launched. Please understand. All the revealed scriptures of Hinduism, I am decoding and making it alive and offering it to all of you. Sometimes people ask me, how can you try to integrate all the sampradayas of Hinduism? Shaivism is separate, Vaishnavism is separate, Tantra is separate, Agama is separate, and Vedanta is separate. How can you integrate? Please understand. It's like you asking, if you eat, how can you dress? If you dress up, how can you sleep? If you sleep, how can you walk? If you have food, how can you have a house? If you have a house, how can you have sex? How can you ask this question? Understand? The best way of eating, Bhagashastra explains. Best way of dressing, Alankara Shastra explains. Best way of building the house, Kamikagama explains. Best way of having sex, Tantra explains. Best way of meditating, Vedanta explains. Great understandings about the cosmology, Upanishads explain. All the different branches and sampradayas of Hinduism are different branches of universal science, the cosmic principles. So I am decoding all of them, connecting everything from the original context of oneness, space and state of Paramashiva. From the being of Paramashiva, I am decoding, unlocking all the secrets from the being of Paramashiva, from the source context. I am revealing all the truths of all the revealed scriptures of Sanatana Hindu Dharma and all the great Apta Pramanas, the Guru Parampara of Sanatana Hindu Dharma, and with my own experience, Atma Pramanas, and my experience of working with millions of disciples all over the world. This whole thing, I am putting it together and offering it to all of you in the form of this Enlighten app. Understand? This will be available to you in your hand. I tell you, only one thing. Essence of today's satsang. Just be alive for next 3 years. Don't die within next 3 years. I guarantee you, I will reach you wherever you are. I'll reach you wherever you are. Just don't die within next 3 years. Be alive. Somehow be alive for next 3 years. I will reach you wherever you are, whichever corner of the world you may be. I will reach you with enlightenment. Understand? It will be as easy as putting the bread from your plate into your mouth and converting that into your blood. That's it. I will make enlightenment as easy as the bread in your hand getting into your mouth and becoming blood. I will reach it to you wherever you are. It's my commitment to humanity. Understand? Just be alive for next 3 years. Nothing else. Just don't die within next 3 years. I'm working sincerely. I will reach you somehow. Somehow I will reach you. Wherever you may be with this Enlighten app. And enlightenment will be literally in you, with you, you manifesting the space, state, powers, and being of Paramashiva. Understand? This extraordinary gift to the world, to the universe, ultimate gift from Paramashiva. I should say this is one of the ultimate gifts of Paramashiva to the whole world. I'm offering it freely to all of you. Now, today, Enlighten app first version and Enlighten for Kids is getting launched. We are adding every 15 days. We will be adding and bringing the next version to you. Lots of work is happening. Anybody wants to be part of this great good work, please be part. I strongly recommend and request all my devotees, disciples, whoever thinks I'm your guru, teacher, God, Ishtadevata, any way you wanted to be associated with me, you declare your allegiance and integrity to me, I request and recommend you become part of this Enlighten app. You use it and you share it and you become part of the volunteering team, sharing your time, treasure, talent to spread this Enlighten to the whole universe. So, essence of what I wanted to convey today, just be alive for next 3 years. Don't die within next 3 years. I'll reach you wherever you are. I'll reach you wherever you are. And I also have one more offering. Today, I'm launching the website to receive live darshan of many of our temples. First, we are launching Paramashiva Devalayam in Adi Kailasa, Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devalaya in Adi Kailasa is available for live darshan for all of you, and the e-hundi is also available. You can make your offerings through e-services. Soon, we will be making the live darshan of Arunachala, Ganga Mata, and Paschima Kailasa, many more temples through live darshan websites, and I'm too excited I am too excited about this great offering, Enlighten. Too much of joy, too much of excitement, because this is going to be one of my ultimate gifts. You can literally get all initiations, power manifestation processes, everything just through Enlighten. Just through this Enlighten app, whether morning satsang. See, the purpose I am launching this app, any problem you have, you can approach us. We will be ready with the multiple solutions which suits you. And we will support you, guide you in solving. For example, if you want to be healthy, not only we will give you the yogic solutions, we will support you, guide you till you manifest the health, the reality you want, including giving a wake-up call, inspiration, and wake-up call, everything. We are going to support you end to end and make you manifest the state, space, powers, and being of Paramashiva. And literally, we are going to do everything possible to make you manifest the state, space, powers, being of Paramashiva. And this is one of the ultimate gifts of Paramashiva to the universe. From wherever you are, it's Paramashiva's commitment to reach you and reveal the cosmic principles to you. Awaken your biomemory with powerful cognitions and bioenergy with powerful initiations, muscle memory with beautiful lifestyle, and make you manifest the state, space, powers, and being of Paramashiva. So this Enlighten app is literally your personal assistant, personal guide of Paramashiva. Paramashiva being with you as the personal guide, personal assistant, personal guru. So with this, I bless you all. Now next we have Sannyas initiation and Darpan Visarjan. And please continue to be connected to Nityananda TV. And I tell you, this Enlighten app is brought to you all by Nityananda Hindu University, Nityananda Peetham. Words, English translation is Nityananda Hindu University. And Nityananda Hindu University also has one more DBA, one more name, Global Hindu University. So this app is brought to you by Nityananda Hindu University. Soon we will have multiple universities all over the world. With this, I'll continue to speak on Enlighten app and answer your questions in further satsangs. Now with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.